Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a Bratz look. I don't know if you guys have tried the Bratz eyeshadows from Makeup Revolution. I am going to try the Bratz eyeshadow for you guys. I will also be using my everyday makeup brand that I am currently using, so I will definitely be sharing that with you guys. So the first thing I do is I go in with my Aquaphor. Since you can see I have a little bit of redness in this area. I don't know why, but it's been irritating me. So I just take like a little drop. That's actually too much. I just put it on my hand like that and I tap it on. I just put a little bit under my eyes because sometimes it gets really dry underneath my eyes. And then underneath my lips and under my nose. That just keeps the makeup from having any dry patches. And then you can also apply it to your forehead where you feel like you might have dry patches, especially after going to the beach. My skin gets extremely dry. Once I have my Aquaphor on, I go ahead and go in with my primer. So today I will be using the Sephora Beauty Amplifier in the Afterglow Primer Illuminizer. And what I do is I kind of do like a little squiggly line. I've been using this a lot, so I might be running out here, which is awesome because I'm finally going to be going through another makeup product. So that much might be okay. I get so excited when I go through a product. It excites me so much. And basically what I do is I just use my fingers when it comes to the tint or the primer. Next up, I'll be going in with my L'Oreal Magic Nude Liquid Powder. And what I usually do is just take a little bit and pour it onto the back of my hand. And then I use my finger to spread it out on my face. And don't forget your neck because you want to make sure that you blend it in with your neck. Blend in your face with your neck. I feel like I put a little too much on. As you can tell, a little bit goes a long way. So do not overdo it. I think a dime or a nickel size amount would be perfect. And this color might be a little bit too light for my skin tone because I did go to the beach and we were in the sun this summer, so of course our skin got darker. And it's okay if your foundation is a little bit lighter than your skin tone because you can always use a darker powder right on top to blend it out and go and match your skin color. So do not fret if your foundation is a little too light. The Nude Sticks concealer, which this is a foil packet, a sample that I got from Sephora in the shade Nude 5.
Hi, babe.
Hi, babe.
I finished the tournament.
Oh, good.
I finished top 9%.
Oh, good.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
That's the best I've done.
Yeah.
This season anyways.
Yeah. So I'm going to use my Wet n Wild concealer brush just to kind of spread it out just a little bit, and then I'll go in with my sponge. Okay, so we got the concealer on. Now we're gonna go in with the Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder in medium. And this is what's going to make my face a little bit darker. I'm going to be using my Kabuki BB brush. I just tap it in there. And this is extremely messy. So I kind of just tilt my head back a little bit. If you're wondering what I'm looking at over here, I'm looking at my mirror. You could do circular motions, or you could go straight up and down. It's really up to you how you feel about it. It still looks a little light, but it could just be this lighting. But now we're gonna go in with my Sephora face palette, and we're going in with this color to contour. So we're gonna use my mermaid brush that I got off of Groupon. I'm just gonna tap it in there and work it in. Go ahead and do it in all of my shadows of my forehead. I also like to put it on my jawbone and the shadows of my neck. Then I'm gonna go in with this dark rose pink for my blush, and I'll just flip my brush over, tap it in there, and go right above. Ooh, that's pigmented. Very pigmented. I'm gonna have to blend that in. Blend that in. It's very pigmented. Then I'm gonna go in with my glitter brush. This is from the Chic brand, and I got this at Five Below. It came with a 5-piece. And I'm gonna go in with this beautiful holographic highlighter. Pigmented, and just blend it in. A little bit on the Cupid's bow. Very pigmented face palette. If you haven't tried it, I suggest it 100%. With the same contour, I am going to contour my nose. Got that in there. So now we're gonna go ahead and use the Chloe Bratz palette from Makeup Revolution. So I'm going to use this shade in the Chloe palette. It is Spaced Out, and I'm going to use the Cream Shop eyeshadow brush. I can definitely say you have to build it up. You definitely are going to have to build it up. I think a little bit of some setting spray on your brush can help build it up a little bit better. So we're gonna go ahead and use the setting spray after this, but I wanna make both eyes equal. As mean Bratz Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. We're going to use this Zen color. Oh wow. That is not the right color, y'all. This makeup brush had a different color on it, so my bad. Now we're gonna use the Wet n Wild makeup brush. We're gonna use the Zen. So let's see. Quite weird. It is showing up purple. I thought it was brown, but it's showing up purple on my eyelids. Very different. I don't know if it's my makeup brushes or what. Okay, since it looks a little purple, we're gonna have to go with something that matches it. So now we're gonna choose a shade from the 27 eyeshadow palette. So we're gonna go in with Passion, which is right here. Put it on the inner corners of my eye without the setting spray. Now we're gonna go in with this Tweebles color. Same brush. Just place it on the base of the lid. And it's not very pigmented, or it's my brush. Not very pigmented. So I'm gonna use my finger. Fashion, which is right here. Okay, now we're gonna go in and do the edges right here. And we will use Tweebles. And then we'll go in with Fashion on the inner corners. Then we're gonna go in with Halo for the eyebrow line. That is a little bit of a shimmery look there. Now we're gonna go in with the Tattoo Station from the Face Shop brow pencil, and it has two sides. So we're going to brush the eyebrows up. We're gonna go ahead and line the eyebrows. Salon Perfect Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. And I'm going to use my Mermaid makeup brush. Curl it in there and just shade in those eyebrows. For eyelashes, we are going to use the Ardell Wispies. You could get these at Walmart. And I am gonna chop off about this much because I feel like they're just way too long. So eyelashes are on. Now we're gonna do the Maybelline Falsies mascara. This is actually my favorite mascara. We are going to go in with the Victoria's Secret Velvet Matte in the shade Magnetic. And I love this wand, by the way. Now I'm gonna go in with my NYX Matte Finishing Spray. And that is the finished look. So that is my finished look with my Bratz eyeshadow palettes. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and the bell right next to it so you'll get notified the next time I post. And if you haven't watched my giveaway, go ahead and watch it right now so you can enter. The giveaway ends September 31st. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.